everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing this bag, and I think it's another Slay Glam Box. I don't remember the name right now. Let's open this and see exactly what is the name. But if this box has any chance ever for me to like it, it's gonna be now, because I'm so happy. I just record my video of this and I am in love. So this give me the energy and the kind of like, wow, I'm so happy. But anyways, let's open this one. And I noticed it's the same shape as the last time. I said in the last video that I will never buy this again, but I got 3 boxes. I got it from the website. They have a plan for like 1 box, 3 boxes, and 6 and 12 if I'm not mistaken. So I go ahead and got 3 because it was a better offer. Obviously 6 was even better, but I wasn't sure if I'm gonna like it. So I decided just give it a try for 3 months, and that's what is gonna happen. I'm gonna give it 3 times chance to make it through my heart. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. This got here very early, so I'm hoping it's June, and it has to be June because it got here at the end of May. So I don't know exactly what is the deal. So let's just go ahead and open this. So it's a Slay Glam Box. That's the name. So again, this thing is paper, so it gets very ugly on the shipping. But let's just open and see what are the products inside. Let's see what is in here. Beauty, Bang Beauty. I see something else wrapped here. Oh my god, this looks oddly familiar. Let's see. These are the things that are inside. It says a couple of things in here. Anyways, box that is open, and another thing from this brand, Kylie. Okay, so let's see what is in here. The first thing that I got was this Bang Beauty, and something fell. I don't know what. Okay, this little brush. So what is this? This is a milk chocolate brown cream. Yeah, finally something that I might use, and it's a right color for me actually. So I will give this a try. Wow, finally we're doing something. So put it back here. This is worth $22, so a little expensive. I don't know this brand, but it sounds good. So let's see, this one that it came open. This one is the Illuminator Bronzer Powder. So okay, this is something. This is something. Cataline again. What is this? So what? Okay, let me show you this properly because this is weird. I never have seen such a thing like this. So this is how it looks, the packaging, right? So then you pop this thing, and this is a brush. Well, that's at least what I think it is inside there. I don't know how to get it out. All right, this is almost impossible. I don't know how to do it. It's not working for me. No idea what is the deal with this. So here's the powder, and this seems a little bit light. This is kind of like a shimmery bronzer, which I don't love, and I don't understand this thing, why it's not turning. I don't know. This is weird. This is weird. And that is $33. Seriously? I don't think so, but anyways. Okay, so this is a Beauty Creation Seduce Me. So this is $14.99, and let's see the colors. These are the colors, and looks decent, looks pretty. Well, not so much. They look okay, but this is obviously better than the one that I received last month. And this brand says it's cruelty free. So I mean, I'm gonna give this away again to somebody. Look at that little mirror. Like, who is she? No, too small. I'm gonna give this away again, so I'm not gonna swipe it again. Let me see what else is in here. This is a kids proof lip finish. So basically this is just to give you like a little sheen color in the lips. Beautiful. Then we have here what else is this? This is actually a lipstick with this beautiful color here. I'm not gonna do any swipes. This is gonna go to someone because definitely I don't like it. This is I actually like this color. What color is this? Lip liner. It's a lip liner. It has a pretty decent color, but it's those ones that you have to sharp. So again, more mess in my room. No, thank you. And then last but not least, we have this one that it has a brush in one side and another brush in the other side. And what is all of this about? I don't even understand. It does something when you press it? This is kind of like funny. Like, why do I need a brush that it has these two weird ends like this? Like, why do I need this like this? I don't understand. Like, it is, how many brushes are in here? Oh my god, this is 4 brushes. Now we're talking. Now this is something. It has these two here, so this little one, this angle one, and then it has this one like this, and you put it back like this. Wow, this is kind of cool. And then this one here, and then the other side is this little one here. I actually like this, but again, I already keep brushes from last time, so I'm gonna give everything on this little thing to somebody because I don't want to keep it. So the Key Proof Slay Kit is $45, which I don't know which one is this because the 4-in-1 is this one. The Kathleen Cosmetic 4-in-1 brush, $22. All right. Then the eyeshadow is $14.99. The brow product is $22. The bronzer is $33. Where is, oh, okay, so the Kiss Proof Kit is $45. So basically $45 for these 3 products. I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh my god, Slay Glam Box. I'm gonna receive you one more time because I already paid for it. But bye-bye, ciao. I don't see you no more. You do not match my criteria. I don't like it. I love you and I respect you, but I don't like you. Oh my god, I'm becoming so mean. Like, I'm getting mean. I mean, I just don't like it. I'm so sorry. There's Bossy Charm, Itsy, Fat Tip Fun. It's so many out there now. I saw another one that is catching my attention. It's kind of like cruelty-free, nature, kind of like Kinder, I think is the name. I'm gonna take a look at that one because kind of like caught my attention. It looks very cool. But this one, Slay Glam Box, people, I'm gonna open the next one just to prove that it's just not gonna get better anytime soon. And the problem with these subscription boxes, if they don't get enough subscribers, they don't have the opportunity to get better. So it's really hard to start this kind of concept of business because brands are not going to work with you as well if you're already big. Like, see Bossy Charm, they already are big, so they have so many good brands on there. Like, some of them are even high-end brands, so you're like, wow. Some of them are medium, some of them are not that good, but at the same time, you pay $21 and you get a lot. This one you pay like $24. It's even more expensive, not as good products. Everything looks so okay. What happened here? Side note, I burnt my hand, I burnt my finger, and doctor wrapped it this morning, and I have been doing makeup and it's already so dirty. It's been with me only like 4 hours and literally disgusting full makeup. That's probably why it needed to be covered. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!